Hey, Mark Harbert from markharbert.com, and in this video, we're going to talk about the 3 biggest excuses people use to not use video in their business. By now, you should be using it, but these are the typical excuses, and I'm going to talk to you about how to overcome them, so stick around. All right, well, welcome to my video here. If this is the first time you're visiting and it's the first video you've seen, if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get my videos when I put them out. Now, let's dive right into it. Let's talk about it. One of the biggest excuses that people use for not using video or not using video in their business is they don't have the right equipment. Now, I've been hearing this one for years. I've just recently heard it as well. And what happens is most people don't realize that you really don't need anything special to do video. It's really so simple nowadays, especially with smartphones, which pretty much have cameras on them that are best. They're better than any other DSLR camera, and they'll literally save you thousands of dollars. Okay, there's nothing fancy you need today. Phones are pretty much the standard, and it's pretty much what everybody uses. I've seen people that have made really, really awesome videos just from using their iPhone or their Android phone. The camera quality nowadays on phones is so good that you really don't need anything else. Now, the other option, if you want to do videos, now this one that I'm recording here right now is on a webcam that I have on my computer. And so there's many out there. I use what's called a Logitech Brio. It's a great camera. It's a 4K camera. You can get that as well. But really, to be honest with you, you really don't need anything fancy. Just use your phone. If you're just getting started, don't go out spending a whole bunch of money getting all this equipment. You literally can use your phone. And guess what? If you need some lighting, if you don't have enough lighting in the area you're at, you can go over to Amazon, and for about between 60 and 80 bucks, you can get a lighting kit that'll give you plenty of light when you're doing videos, okay? So don't let the whole equipment thing stop you from doing videos. A lot of people use that as an excuse because they're really scared, and we'll talk about that in a moment, all right? So let's dive into number 2. All right, so number 2 is people think that they need to be super fancy with their videos. Now, I have seen this over the years where people start getting traction in their videos, and then they start going, overboard. They're thinking they've got to edit the videos like in a massive way. Now, I'm not against editing videos. I like adding in little transitions here and there. But the truth of the matter is that if your content is good, you really don't need to worry too much about production value. Okay? Now, this is very important. Don't put production value over content value. Now, content value is way more important than production value. When I say production value, I'm talking about fancy editing tricks, animations, all these little things popping in and out. You really don't need any of that. Focus on solid content, giving people really good things that they want in their videos, and I'm telling you, it will make a huge, huge difference. So don't focus on the things that don't need to be focused on. Just focus on making great content for your audience, and I'm telling you, it will go a long way. I see people that have built massive audiences. They don't edit any videos. They literally create a video, upload it, and it's just them talking. But the content is right on with what their audience wants to hear. It's all about what people want to know, and it makes all the difference in the world. So keep it tight, keep it on content, focus on the content, make it good, make it great. You got nothing to worry about, all right? So let's dive into number 3. All right, so number 3 is very common, and it's one of the number 1 reasons that people don't get on the camera for video is that they are simply just afraid of it. They have fear of the camera. They have fear of what other people think of them. They have fear of rejection. And there's a very easy way to get over this, and I'm going to give you really what I believe 1 or 2 key things that will help you get over the fear, okay? Now, I remember years ago when I did my first video, I did like 20 takes, okay? I mean, it was me sitting in front of a camera. I had a video camera at the time, okay? These were before even really smartphones were big. This is like, 2008, 2009. cell phone cameras weren't even really a thing. And if you did have it, they were really bad. The quality was horrible. And so I did like 20 takes. And you know what I did? I don't think I ever really even put that video out. My goal was to just kind of break the inertia of not doing a video. So the first thing that you want to do if you've never done a video before and you want to get over that fear is create a video just for yourself. Like, you don't have to upload it. You don't have to put it out there for anybody. Just do it for yourself. Okay. And then once you've done that, go ahead and create another video and then upload it somewhere, put it on unlisted, maybe on YouTube or whatever, and send it to one friend. Okay. Just say, hey, I created this video. Give me your real thoughts. Okay. And that's another way to start breaking it. So what's happening is you're incrementally breaking through that fear. You don't have to create something and put it all out there right away. Okay. Just create one video, do it just for yourself, and then create another one and send it off to one friend and ask for their opinion. The third video, you'll start to feel like you're breaking the inertia of not doing videos. So what'll happen is you'll start to feel like you're getting into a little bit of a rhythm. Put that third video together, upload it, keep it unlisted, and send it out to 5 friends, okay? And ask them for their opinion. Okay, so this is how you start to break that inertia and really, really get moving on creating videos. That will get you over the fear. Now, there's one thing I do want to warn you about. This is very, very important, is that when you put yourself out there in videos, you are opening yourself up for criticism, okay? But I don't want you to worry about that because I promise you that the majority of people out there will love your content as long as it's valuable and you're giving them what they're looking for, okay? But here's the thing. Don't let one negative comment derail you. I have created literally thousands upon thousands of videos in my online marketing career, and I'll tell you, I have gotten lots and lots of negative comments. However, I have gotten 10 times more positive comments than I ever get of the negative. So I'm at a point now where the negative comments don't even faze me. I just see them, I laugh, I move on. And that's the way you want to be. All right. So these are 3 tips for you that can make all the difference in the world. And if you want to get access, now another thing that a lot of people, this is kind of a bonus one, but a lot of people, they don't create videos because they don't really know what to talk about. Okay. They don't really have any topics that they think are worth sharing. So what I did is I actually put together a sheet called the 101 live stream ideas, sheet that really gives you 101 ideas that you can create videos around. Now it's called live stream, so you don't have to do them on live stream. You can do them on pre-recorded, put them on YouTube, same thing. But it's 101 ideas that are really designed to help you attract your perfect prospect in your particular niche. So if you look down below this video, if you're on YouTube, I'll put the link in there. If you're on my blog, look right below this video. You'll see a button for the 101 live stream ideas. Click that, enter your information, and I'll send it right over to you, okay? But I hope these help you. If you did, do me a favor, comment below, like this video. Again, make sure you subscribe and let me know. Did you get value? What are some other things that you think are things that hold people back from doing video? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And go ahead and grab your 101 video ideas, all right? We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.